Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, I am going to make a program uh, of binary search algorithm. Okay, it will take input for the size of the array, element, and target also, and it will search uh, a target. It is present in the uh, array or not. Okay, so you practice with me, and you should write uh, code with me so that your coding skill will be improved. This is my kindly request to you all. Okay, you can open Visual Studio Code for writing the code, okay, with me, or you can open online Java compiler. Okay, so I'm going to uh, use Visual Studio Code. I'm going to write it and I will explain verbally in the middle of coding when I will write the code. Okay, and then I will line I will write each uh, comment for each line. Okay, you so that you can understand each line. Okay, so I'm going to do it now. First, I'm going to make a file name where I'm going to save our code. So I need to make binary search binary search algorithm. Binary search iteratively we are doing in this video, and in with using recursion we will do in another video, in next video. Okay, binary search iteratively. Okay, dot java. Okay, now I'm going to first import scanner class so that I can able to take user input. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, now I'm going to insert main method for the uh, okay, so I'm going to write it psvm. This is the shortcut key in the Visual Studio Code to write public static void main string args. Okay, I'm going to make object for the scanner class, scanner new scanner, and then system dot in. Okay, now I'm going to write enter size of the array. Okay, I'm taking size. Okay, now so I am taking use using an sc dot next int. So then I'm writing sort again. I'm going to make a first what array. Okay, so I need to write here int arr braces is equals to int new int n. Okay, it should be small. Okay, see guys, we use binary search algorithm in sorted array, means array present in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, this is the prerequisite of this algorithm. Okay, so I already asked to user to enter only only sorted array. Okay, sorted element we need to uh, take. Okay, so I already uh, need to ask the user. Okay, so I need to write here sort. I am going to take the element for the uh, array. Okay, so I need to write here enter n sorted enter n sorted element for the array. Okay, and then I need to take it using for loop for int I is equals to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. Then I am going to take it using arr of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, now I need to take what, enter target to search in the array. So I need to take int target is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, I am going to write main logic for for binary search. What is binary search? Is binary search search. See, first our code will calculate the mid of the array. Okay, and it will compare the middle element of the array is equal to or not for with what, target element, and if it is equal then it will directly return the um, element found at index mid. Okay, and if it is not equal, if means array means target will be, if target will be present in the, whether it's present in the left or right, if target or target is present in the left of the middle middle element, then uh, our our high will be mid minus 1. Okay, and if it is present in the right of the mid element, then low will be mid plus 1. Okay, we already initialize mid and low and high position in the element, okay, of the array. Okay, so I am going to write here int low is equals to int, why it is not taking, okay, taking it is int low is equals to 0. I am giving, I am initializing already the first element in the array as low. Okay, and int high is equals to n minus 1. I already initialize. Okay, and I am writing the while loop for checking the condition. Okay, while low is less than equals to high, till you have to check. What you need to check? First I need to make what, middle, I need to calculate middle of the uh, array. Okay, middle element of the array. So I need to write here int mid is equals to mid is equals to, it is left, sorry, low plus high divided by 2, but I need to write here low plus braces high minus low divided by 2. It is the same like, it is the same like high plus low divided by 2. Okay, when you will calculate the position of middle by whether by this formula or this formula, you will get the same result. Okay, so I need to write here equals to, and here I need to write low. Okay, low plus. Okay, done. Now I need to check if if IRR of mid is equals to mid. Okay, then you need to return what? You need to display target. Target is target found at index mid. Okay, and then you just need to return, means you have to finish the process. Okay, and if not, then you need to write if if target target is low, less than the mid. Okay, ARR of mid, then you need to update high is equals to mid minus 1, and if it is already checked, then you need to just do low is equals to mid plus 1. Okay, mid plus 1. Okay, and if it is done, then you need to write here what? Sought target not found in the array. Okay, so now it's done. Now I'm going to run the program, then I will explain uh, time and space complexity, and I will write comment for better understanding. Firstly, I need to remove all this ln so that it will look clear, and okay, it's coming, don't worry. So I need to uh, enter here size of the array. Okay, I'm entering 10. Enter 10 sorted element for the array. I'm entering 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 10. Okay, enter target to search in the middle, so search in the array. So I am entering 0. Target found at index 4. It is uh, giving wrong result. Okay, it should print target will be in present at index 0. Okay, sorry, index 1. No, index 0. Mid is equals to, okay, done. It should be what? ARR of mid. Okay, now I'm going to run it. Now I think it should print correct result. Enter 5 sorted element. I'm entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 Okay, enter target enter target to search in the array. Why it is saying like this? It is asking enter target to search in the array. Target found at index 2. But I don't, I have not entered the target element. Why it is saying the result? Okay, enter size of the array. I am entering 5. Enter 5 sorted element for the array. I am entering 7, 8, 9, 45. I need to enter only sorted element, so that's why I am running like this 20 and 35. Okay, enter target to search in the array. I am entering 55. Target found at index 2. Why target found at index 2? Bro, here you need to enter target. Okay, now I am going to enter it. 10 element I am entering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enter target to search in the array. I am entering 1. Target found at index 0. Okay, now I think it is a correct code. Okay, I am checking it. Enter size of the array. I am entering 10. Okay, I am entering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, enter target to search in the array. I am entering 5. Target found at index 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our code is giving correct result. Okay, so now I will write the comment. Okay, so I am checking again. Enter 5 element. Okay, I am sorry. Enter size of the array. I have entered 5 and I am going to enter 5 sorted element for the array. I am entering 12, 45, 78, 98. How many element I have entered? 2, 3, 4. I am going to enter what? 98 I have already entered, so I am entering 907. Enter target to search in the array. I am entering 100. See, target not found the array. Our code is working perfectly. Okay, so see, this is the scanner class for taking user input. Okay, and this is the file file where I am saving our code. Okay, this is the main method without which we cannot display anything. Okay, main method under which we need to write write our program. Okay, and this is the object SC I have created for the scanner class. Okay, and this is asking asking user to to enter to enter enter size of the array. Okay, taking size of the array. Okay, creating sorry declaring array dynamically. Okay, here I'm asking to user to enter only sorted element, whether whether it in the ascending 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 or descending order. Okay, okay. taking taking all element using for loop. Okay, each okay, taking each element using for loop. uh, Taking each element for the array from 0 to n minus 1 form. Okay, saying or you can say telling user to enter target to search in the array. Okay, taking target. Okay, target element. Okay, already initialize. Okay, low as first element for the array for the array. Okay, initializing initializing high as the last element for the array. Now condition till loop is going to iterate. Okay, and this is the logic when low is less than equals to high, till you this while loop is going to run. Okay, I'm going to iterate, okay, and then if comparing equality to target element, sorry, element, comparing equality to ta- comparing equality to target element mid of the array to target element. Okay, and if if target found, then then this line will be print. Okay, and we using return here to terminate terminate the loop. Okay, terminate the loop, and here checking checking target present in the middle, sorry, left of left side of the mid middle element of the array. Okay, if it is present, then it is moving high high in the left left side left side of the what, middle element. Okay, and if it is not, and if target not found in the left in the left left side of the left side of the left side of the middle element middle middle element means it present present in the right in the right. Okay, so moving 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 low in the right side of the what, middle element. Okay, and if and if it is found, then it is and this will repeat till getting array mid is equal to the target. Okay, till it loop will iterate. Okay, and if it will not found in both, and if target not found in left or a right or mid of the array, means is not present, so that's why I am printing here not found. That's why I am printing again array target not found in the array. Okay, now I am going to write sc dot close so that scanner class will going to close. Okay, okay, now I am going to discuss what time complexity. Okay, so for linear search linear search 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 the time complexity was O of n. O of n. Okay, but in and space complexity was what? O of 1 1. And for this, for binary search the time complexity is what? O of log n. Okay, and space space complexity is O of log n also. Log n log n also 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 so that so that it is uh, it is it is very less in compare to linear search. Is processing. I am entering, but it is not coming. It will come. Don't worry. Have patience. Okay, it is came. Okay, so it is. Don't worry. It is. It's very efficient, or you can say enhance enhance code for searching element in the array. Okay, okay, done. And I am saying you to Why the time complexity is O of logging. So you are searching the the element halfwise, uh, like n by 2 n by 2, it will search till n by 2 to the power k. When you will simplify it, okay, it will like this, n by 2 you are searching, n by 2 you are repeating till, okay, till you are repeating till n by 2 to the power 2 to the power k. Okay, when you will find, when you will find find the value 2 to the power 2 to the power ki, you will say, and then when you will find the value of k, you will get, I will saying, I'm saying, and the value of k is to the power k, and I I say one time the n by 2 to the power k is equals to be 1. Say n by n by 2, and I say one time the, I am saying just when you will find the value of k, you will get is equals to log n. Log, this is the region uh, is the reason for the time complexity will be O of log n. Okay, so the program I have already explained the how output of this program. Okay, so I am going to close it, and questions if you are done the mistake, and this is the way you can learn or get each things about that program in one go. Okay, and if you are doing mistake, then just don't worry, you need to focus where you are doing the mistake. Okay, and if something is missing in the code, then just let me, I will try to explain it another video or video. Have a nice day, and I want to request search about these things. Okay, uh, anytime. Okay, and if and try to learn from uh, anywhere. Okay, just be with me. I will provide here each things for the DSA or Java. Okay, thank you. Bye.